Good morning, everyone. See, all these activities that were performed here is meant to give you all a message. Why is CBSE making it mandatory that anti-drug day be observed in schools and children should get a message? Because we are all going to be together giving light or showing light to others. When your friends seem to be depressed, you can ask them to share their worries and you can be a very keen listener.
The issue of drug abuse. To help us understand this better, our club presents a drama titled Choices. Through this drama, we hope to show how peer pressure, misunderstandings, and wrong choices may lead a person into the trap of drugs, and how one can choose to say no and take the right path.
Hi, Trisha. Hey, Natasha.
Oh, here she comes.
How are you? Why are you even talking to us?
We are not your friends.
Why?
Look at you. You have no class, no style. You're ugly. Ew.
Look at what you're wearing. No wonder no boys want you.
Jimmy, what took you so long? We were all waiting for you.
Sorry, I was with my friends at school.
You spend way too much time with your friends. I'm your younger sister. Look at my marks. And look at yours. Failing in every subject? You're such a dumbo.
Hey girl, where were you?
Sorry, Rocky. You know how it is at home. I just completely lost track of time.
Hey, Beanie, you look so stressed. Here, I have a little something that will relax you a bit.
This? Sorry, I don't want this poison.
Poison? You don't trust your own friend?
No. It's not that.
Call me when you're done being a kid, okay?
Ginny, I'm on a business trip, and I still took time to see your mark sheet, and you failed in 2 subjects.
Sorry, Dad. I did study.
Stop lying to me. I don't trust you. Your birthday party tomorrow is cancelled, and you're not getting any gifts.
If you try me, be warned. This is your game. If given a chance, I will drive you insane. You will regret you tried me. They always do. You will come to me, not me to you.
You're ugly. You're such a dumbo. Don't you talk to me like that.
No wonder no boys want you.
I don't trust you.
You're ugly. You're such a dumbo. Don't you talk to me like that.
No wonder no boys want you.
I don't trust you.
I'm more costly than diamonds, more precious than gold. You can try me, then don't say you were not told. My power is awesome. Try me and see. If you don't, you will never know what's in me. I'll let you go, but try me again, and I will own your soul. Now I am your master, and you are my slave. I will accompany you to your grave. I destroy homes and I tear towns apart. I take children away, and that is just the start.
Guinea? Guinea, are you okay? Mom! I don't know what's happening to Guinea. Guinea? Guinea! My child! Don't worry. It's going to be okay. I am there for you.
And I would say I love you, and you would love me. Me caring for you, and you caring for me. My emptiness turned into hate. Sorry, Mom, but now it's too late.
I'm so sorry, Ginny. I should have supported you.
You're so special to us. You live in my heart, and no one can keep us apart.
Pledge. I pledge to care for my own mental health and respect the feelings of others.
ശിരസുയർത്തി പറയുക ലഹരിക്കടിപ്പെടില്ലൊരു നാളും നാം. ശിരസുയർത്തി പറയുക ലഹരിക്കടിപ്പെടില്ലൊരു നാളും നാം. വരം കണക്കെ കിട്ടിയ ജീവിതം എറിഞ്ഞുടയ്ക്കുകയില്ല നാം. വരം കണക്കെ കിട്ടിയ ജീവിതം എറിഞ്ഞുടയ്ക്കുകയില്ല നാം.
Being a good listener is always better because it builds relationships. However busy you are, should not ignore. Because if a person feels there's nobody to listen to them, they go in depression, they go to do different inappropriate acts. That is one cause of suicide in all the families. You know, there is a solution to all the problems. And however difficult an obstacle is, that will go away, provided you don't fear the obstacles.